I was going to do my video today on stopping forced restarts on Windows updates, but when I started my virtual machine to get my screenshots, Microsoft decided that it was time for me to sign into a Microsoft account, or create one if I didn't have one. For my personal machine, I like running a local account, and so do most of my customers. The screens Microsoft presents don't tell you how to skip creating the account. They may have a skip for now, or a remind me in 3 days, but not a don't ever bother me again. This is where if you have the Professional, Enterprise, or a few other versions of Windows, you can use the Group Policy Editor to stop Microsoft from bothering you with creating or signing into a Microsoft account again. There are a few ways to launch the Group Policy Editor. I will simply use the Windows key +R to bring up the Run dialog. I will type gpedit.msc in the Run dialog box and press Enter. We are now in the Group Policy Editor. To make it easier to see, I made the window full screen and widened the left column. Open the Windows settings under Computer Configuration. Now open Security Settings. Next open Local Policies. Now click on Security Options. On the right, double-click Account, block Microsoft accounts. Now click the drop-down menu. As you can see, there are 3 options. Even though your selection was probably blank like mine, it was set to disabled. The option I suggest is users can't add Microsoft accounts. This will make it so while this is set, no one can add a Microsoft account to this computer. That will make it so Microsoft will stop trying to get you to create one or log into one after certain updates. If there are other users, or you have multiple logins and any currently have a Microsoft account, they will still be able to log into the computer. The last option, users can't add or log on with Microsoft accounts, would make it so if you did have a Microsoft account on this computer, you would not be able to log in with it. If you want to do that option, make sure that you are not already logged into a Microsoft account and don't realize it. Here is how to check if you are logged in with a local account or Microsoft account. I'll show with Windows 11 first. Click Start. Click Settings. On the left, click Accounts. You'll notice under my username, Owner, I am a local account, so I'll close this and move to Windows 10. Now that I have my Windows 10 virtual machine up, I will again click Start. Then click Settings. Here on the first page in the upper left, you see the user, Owner, and again underneath that it is a local account. Now back to the Windows 11 virtual machine, and I can close the Accounts window. Once you make your decision, simply click the OK button at the bottom and you are done. You can close Group Policy Editor, and Microsoft should not bother you again with creating or signing into a Microsoft account on this computer. If you found this video helpful, please like it and share it. Also, please subscribe and click the bell for notifications so you will be notified of future videos. If there is anything specific you'd like me to cover, please leave a comment.